Il-pillola tat-tadam li hi prodott naturali u b'hekk tgħin il-metaboलिżmu jaħdem aħjar. L-Ateronon issibu għal l-ispiżjar tal-fiduċja tagħkom.
Minkejja l-mistoqsijiet speċifiċi li saru mill-membri tal-Parlament Ewropew waqt sessjoni apposta f'laqgħa tal-Kumitat fi Brussell, rappreżentanti tal-FIU tal-MFSA naqsu milli jwieġbu dawn il-mistoqsijiet, tant li r-rappreżentanti tal-aġenziji li huma taħt il-lenti minħabba l-liċenzja tal-Bank Pilatus spiċċaw ikkritikati minn diversi membri Ewroparlamentari tal-li ma tawx it-tweġibiet għal-mistoqsijiet illi sarulhom. Fost l-oħrajn saru mistoqsijiet diretti mill-Ewroparlamentari tal-Partit Nazzjonalista Roberta Metsola.
Why do you think that the police, and you have to ask this question, haven't taken any action or investigation on government politicians in the last 5 years, when we know that ministers have lied about accounts that they hold in banks such as the ones that you regulate, when we know that at least $200,000 were transferred into a Dubai company linked to Maltese ministers, 17 blank by the LNG agent of our new power station, when we know that Azerbaijan political exposed persons have such an interest and have a hold in banks like Pilatus. This is not hearsay, this is evidence. And we also know that the FIAU have sent reports to the police commissioner. Have you never asked why it is odd that these reports were not acted upon?
Iżda ma kienx l-MEP Maltija biss li għamlet il-mistoqsijiet kien hemm l-Europarlamentari Soċjalista Anna Gomez. L-Europarlamentari Liberali Nils Torvalds.
We had a very interesting debate about money laundering, and Malta was all the time stonewalling when we tried to get down to the real beneficiaries of different banking systems.
L-Europarlamentari tal-ħodor Molly Scott Cato.
You decided that Mr. Ali Sadr was an appropriate person to be the CEO of a company that had a banking license. You granted that license on the 3rd of January 2014, but US sources were already investigating him beginning in 2013, and he was indicted on 6 counts, including breaking US anti-money laundering rules. Now, something has gone very badly wrong there. So what are you doing? What new steps are you taking to make sure that these politically exposed persons are not able to launder their money in future?
Anka l-Europarlamentari tax-Xelluk Stelios Kologlu kien qibes ħafna fil-mistoqsijiet tiegħu.
It's a little bit surprising you are not, in your written answers you have already given us, you are denying to tell us about the politically exposed persons in the Pilatus Bank. Not only the names, but also the number. You are not telling us about the number. So I'll give you some names. You know, according to Daphne Caruana Galicia, there were some people involved, like the wife of the Prime Minister, the Minister of Tourism, and the Chief of Staff of the Prime Minister.
Minnaħa tagħhom ir-rappreżentanti tal-FIU l-MFSA f'diversi ċirkostanzi sostnew li huma marbutin b'konfidenzjalità.
We are bound by confidentiality in terms of law.
With regards to the analysis, 17 Black and other names mentioned, I hope you appreciate that I cannot divulge too much information. However, I do provide my assurance, and I confirm that whenever the FIU has established reasonable suspicion of money laundering, it has passed a report on to the Malta police. So,
not to disclose the name, at least at this point in time. We cannot disclose the name for confidentiality and contractual reasons.
Waqt dan id-dibattitu sar magħruf ukoll li l-investigazzjonijiet fid-dettall dwar il-Bank Pilatus bdiet biss fi frar ta' din is-sena, jiġifieri xhur sħaħ wara li l-ġurnalista Daphne Caruana Galizia kienet kixfet li dan il-bank intuża biex jgħaddi flus maħmuġin u li għandu kontijiet kemm għal politiċi Maltin kif ukoll għall familja Aliyev tal-Azerbajġan. Din l-investigazzjoni skont l-uffiċjal tal-MFSA għadha mhix lesta.